Hello, welcome back again. So in this video, we're going to look at how to edit a photo inside Kdenlive to have a different background like this without affecting the main character. So here's how to do it. First, let's get a photo into the project bin. So this is the photo we're going to use for our editing here. So we have that photo now. Let's bring this to the timeline and place this on video track 2. And once we have that on video track 2, you can see the color, a little bit of the main character, kind of like yellowish. We want to bring this back so that we don't have this kind of color. But then, first of all, we want to separate this character from the background. To do that, we're going to apply the rotoscoping mask. So go to the alpha mask and king. In the rotoscoping mask, just apply that in, and then let's mask this out. So just do a rough mask, something like that, around the character. Later, we're gonna really adjust this again. So just do a rough mask around it. And when you come and you see you don't have the space to go down here, all you have to do is simply come and zoom out like this. And you have space to just add the rotoscoping mask outside the borderline of the image there. And then, yeah, we just go back again and start mask this out. Not really a perfect mask there, but I can do that. If you want to do it more perfectly, then you have to take time to do this, but this is just a tutorial. So when you come to the end, you can either do a right click or just press enter to do that. So here's our character now. What we're gonna do is to bring this down so we can have kind of brighter color. So let's do that. To do that, we're gonna apply, go to the color and image correction. And we're going to apply a little bit of color temperature to that. So simply select that and put it in and see the temperature. We just want to bring this one up so you can see it's remove those kind of yellowish out of that. And then in the saturation, we just leave it. But in the preset lightness, we just want to bump this up until we have something like that to the character, so you can see that. And once we have that, we can just bump this a little bit up again, bring a little bit up like that. Okay, so now that we have that, you see this sub edge cut here. We can go back to rotoscope mask, but that we're gonna do that after. So now that we have this now let's edit the background. To edit the background, select the same photo again and place it on video track 1. That is why we put that one on video track 2. So now you can see the same photo. This is only applied to photo, but with video, you have to really do it well. But I recommend to use, if you want to edit some photos, you can do that right here in Kdenlive. So here we have this one already. So let's select that and we want to edit the background of that. So first, I just want to adjust a little bit of lift, gamma, and gain to it. So just bring this color a little bit like that. So you see, it's not affecting the character, but it's affecting the background only. You can adjust this up to you, whatever you want to do. Okay. So you can see there with the lift gamma, and yeah, we can also use another one here, which is the Bezier cap. When we use the Bezier cap, we just adjust these settings at the background layer, so you can see something like that. Make it a little bit dark, but you see a little bit up like that. So now what happened to this cut edges here from the rotoscoping mask? You go back again to select the one that have this main character. Go to rotoscoping mask, and in the pedal width, just adjust this little bit, and then in the pedal passes, and then the pedal width, you can adjust it in like this. So until you have something like this, and you see those rough cutted are already gone. Once you have that, now we can go back again and adjust the background to your liking. So since I've already dragged this a little bit more down, I just want to leave it up like that. So take note, it's only affecting the background. So in the channel, you can change this to have different background color. So now we have the red, green, and blue. We can change to red, and you can see it's changed there. The background, you can change to green, and you can see the color change again. You can change to blue. You can change to luma. You can change to hue. And you can change to saturation. And again, we're just adjusting the background. We're not doing anything to the main character because we're just rotoscoping it out. So that's an example there. Now with the basic cap, I just want to go back to the green. And once you want to apply some more, doing some more little bit adjustment to the character, you can do that because of the lights. The more lighting in the background, so you can see the lights being applied also to the main character. But it's we're not doing many things like adjusting it more here. Okay, so that's how we can edit this photo without making any adjustment to the main character. Okay, so that's what how we can do that. And thank you again for watching. This is a very simple tutorial. See you back again in another video.